This male fruit bat never saw it coming. The more it struggles, the more sticky thread adheres to its body, tearing the web. To kill the bat, all the females would have to attack at once using all their venom. But getting close enough to plunge in their fangs will expose them to death from sharp teeth that line the male's jaws. The best strategy? Let time and the web do their dirty work. The more the young bat struggles, the more enmeshed and exhausted he'll become. With his last ounce of strength, the bat breaks free.